Hey everyone, it's been a while. I just thought that I'd give you guys an update. It's been a long time since I posted a video. And been really out of shape. So as soon as I get to the top of this hill, I'll go ahead and tell you what's been going on. That is a big poison oak. So I'm out here up on the East Applegate Ridge Trail. It is a 6-mile point to point, and at some point it'll be part of a larger trail that connects Ashland to Grants Pass. It'll be like a 57-some mile trail when they get done with it, and I'll be looking forward to hiking that when it's done. Anyway, I thought I'd give you an update as what's going on, since I don't think I've posted a video in a couple of months. Well, we'd originally planned on finishing up the PCT this year, as well as getting some hikes in for training. Thought I'd have lots of opportunities for video. But then Corona happened, got furloughed for a while, and then my dog decided he wanted to tear his ACL. And for anybody that hasn't had that, it's a bit of a spendy surgery, and then like 8 weeks of recovery time, 4 of which he's supposed to be more or less immobile, and our dog is not, there is anything but immobile. So this has been the actual first time I've been able to do a video in a while. I managed a couple before the shelter in place, and then before the dog blew his leg, but not much since then. Now that he's finally to the point where we can start taking some shorter hikes, I'm hoping to do some videos. Probably more day hikes than backpacking trips, since he's still at a point where I can't actually kennel him because he requires a little more special care than a kennel can give. But hopefully you'll be seeing more of me. Here we have Jennifer rocking the brand new Purple Rain hiking dress. And if I can get her to be willing to talk in front of the camera at some point, I might have her do a review on the skirts and the dress and what she thinks about wearing them, because she wore the skirt the whole way through the trail.
I could do that. Yep.
You also may have noticed that the beard has gotten considerably shorter. Well, 100-degree weather will do that to you. Between that and the fact that it was really uncomfortable wearing a mask with a beard that long, I just decided to give it a buzz. I'll probably let it grow back out next year when we finish up the PCT. But until then, I'm actually enjoying the fact that it's a lot cooler this way. One of the things I really like about this trail is the fact that it actually kind of reminds me of the PCT more than a lot of the other trails around Southern Oregon. And I think it's because the northern end of the desert in California, right before you hit the Sierras, is fairly similar. But also on this trail, you're up on ridges, and you've got good views of the valleys, and you can actually see the trail stretching off into the distance. So if you're willing to go a little bit off trail, it does look like there are some flat spots that you could actually do some dispersed camping out here. Again, know your local land rights, because some of this goes through private property, but most of this is on public land. So you're free to camp. I don't think you'll be able to see this on the video, but this hill right here is where they like to launch off to do paragliding. And every once in a while you'll see some people going down the valley. I'm going to zoom in and see if I can get them. Made it to the top of the ridge. It's about a 3-mile walk from the parking lot that we left from, which I believe is the south end. Not sure if this runs north-south or east-west. Probably should have checked the compass before we left. That's okay. Anyway, it's not too bad of a hike going up the hill, but we're going to probably turn around at the halfway point because we only brought one car and didn't really feel like hiking 12 miles. This is really the first time the dog has been left alone for this amount of time, and I want to make sure he's not making trouble. From this point on, I'm going to include some video that I took late winter, early spring, where I went from the other parking lot and basically hiked from there to the ridge. So you're going to see an abrupt change from sunny and 90 degrees to cold, rainy, and blustery. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you back down at the parking lot.